explored how groups form, develop, and navigate the ups and downs of collaboration. Today, we are taking that knowledge a step further and focusing on a specific type of group that's become increasingly important in today's workplace, the team. Team versus groups. What's the difference? You might be thinking, aren't teams and groups basically the same thing? Well, not quite. While all teams are groups, not all groups are teams. Let me break it down for you. Groups. A group is simply a collection of individuals who interact with each other. They may share common interests or goals, but their work is often independent. Think of a group of students working on individual assignments in the same class. Teams. A team is a group of individuals who work interdependently towards a shared goal. They have complementary skills, a shared sense of purpose, and a collective responsibility for outcomes. Think of a surgical team, a sports team, or a project team at work. Teams have superpower that groups often lack: synergy. Synergy is the idea that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. In other words, when a team is firing on all cylinders, they can achieve results that far exceed what individuals could accomplish on their own. The secret sauce of high-performing teams. So, what's the secret sauce that makes some teams truly exceptional? Research has identified a number of key ingredients. Clear goals. High-performing teams have a crystal clear understanding of their goals and objectives. They know what they are working towards and how their individual contributions fit into the bigger picture. Psychological safety. This is the feeling that team members can speak up, share ideas, and take risks without fear of judgment or ridicule. Psychological safety is essential for fostering creativity, innovation, and collaboration. Clear roles and responsibilities. Everyone on a high-performing team knows what their role is and what is expected of them. This eliminates confusion, minimizes duplication of effort, and ensures that everyone is pulling in the same direction. Effective communication. Team members communicate openly, honestly, and frequently. They listen actively, give and receive feedback constructively, and keep each other informed about progress and challenges. Mutual trust and respect. Trust is the glue that holds a team together. When team members trust each other, they are more willing to share information, take risks, and support each other through difficult times. Strong leadership. Effective team leaders set a clear vision, inspire and motivate their team members, resolve conflicts, and make tough decisions when needed. Building your dream team. Tips and tricks. Creating a high-performing team doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of intentionality. Here are a few tips to get you started. Be clear about your goals. Make sure everyone on the team understands what you're trying to achieve and why it matters. Foster psychological safety. Create a safe space for open communication and encourage team members to share their ideas, even if they seem outlandish. Define roles and responsibilities. Clearly outline who is responsible for what and how those responsibilities will be measured. Establish communication norms. Agree on how often you will meet, how you will communicate with each other, and how you will handle disagreements. Build trust. Encourage team members to get to know each other on a personal level, celebrate successes together, and learn from failures together. Empower your team. Give team members the autonomy and resources they need to do their best work. Teams have the potential to achieve incredible things, but they don't just happen by accident. By understanding the dynamics of effective teams and applying the strategies we have discussed, you can build teams that are not only productive but also fulfilling and enjoyable to be a part of. As you move forward in your careers, remember that teamwork is a skill that takes practice and continuous learning. So, keep refining your skills, experimenting with different approaches, and never stop striving to build the best teams you can.